Not sure which HR certification is right for you? In under 2 minutes, we'll compare the 5 most popular certifications and introduce our HR Cert Fit assessment to help point you in the right direction. There are 2 main certifying bodies, HRCI and SHRM. Each offers certifications based on your experience, education, and career goals. HRCI has offered HR certifications for over 50 years and is well known for its long-standing credentials. SHRM certifications are newer, launched just over a decade ago, but the organization itself is highly recognized within the HR industry. Are you just starting out? The aPHR is perfect for you. No experience required. The PHR is for professionals handling day-to-day HR operations, like compliance and employee relations. And the SPHR is for senior leaders focused on strategy and aligning HR with business goals. The SHRM-CP is great for early to mid-career HR pros applying knowledge in real-world situations. The SHRM-SCP is for senior-level professionals leading strategy and organizational impact. If you're more focused on technical HR knowledge, HRCI might be your path. If you want a mix of strategy and behavioral competencies, SHRM could be a better fit. Still unsure? Take our free HR Certification Fit Assessment to find the best option for you. The link is in the description. Ready to take the next step? HRCP is here to support you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed on your certification journey. Visit us at HRCP.com.